what happened here. Ooh. That was crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a whole lot of things to discuss today and test today, so stay tuned. We're gonna go through and talk about the shy battery and things I like and dislike about it, and I'm gonna be testing my Milk Racing 16-inch rear that I just recently installed on my Sur-ron, so that should be nice. I'll see you guys at the trails though. You know what I want to do? I want to go to the trail where I crashed, and actually let's do it this time. You know what I mean?
Okay. Let's go.
Go. So yeah, guys, I haven't been here ever since I crashed, so this is going to be interesting. It should be a lot of fun, and I'll also get to test out my 16-inch rear and see how I like that. You know what I mean? I got a weird sound coming from my bike. Let's go check it out up here. I know I got some. Oh, I think my chain is too loose. Yeah, my chain is a little too loose.
Do you have anything to tighten it right now?
No, I don't, but I can feel a weird noise too.
That's a good amount of tension.
I wonder what that is.
It's crazy because I kind of feel like my bike felt a little weird riding up the hill too.
Are those electric?
Yes. Yeah, it definitely felt weird the whole ride up here. I never had it so bumpy.
I felt like my wheel is turning on me, but it's not. I don't know. I think it's just because the road is so up that it's really rough on me.
Let's continue. All right. So what do we have here? Let's start talking about the shy battery. I got the Endurance Gen 2, and as far as performance, I still haven't put it through the ultimate range test, but it's okay so far. Shouldn't be much of a difference in that department. As far as that screen, the new screen and the button on there, I don't like that at all. You can't even access the button while you're riding. Now they want you to keep the screen on at all times, but I don't want to do that. Even when you do that, the viewing area of the Sur-ron is not that big compared to that screen, so I don't like that at all. That's one thing I do not like at all, if I'm completely honest. As far as range test, we're gonna do a range test here very soon, and I'll take it on a range test and see what we get out of the battery. But as far as that button, that's the only thing so far I can 100% say I do not like at all. Next order of business is the Milk Racing 16-inch wheel I installed, and I mean, so far I love it. You know what I mean? These trails are kind of beat up for me to fully push it like I used to push the bike. Also, this is my first ride ever since I had my little mishap over here and fell, but to kind of put some closure to it, we're actually going to go hit that trail right now. The same trail I crashed on, we're going to go hit that right now, and we'll conquer it this time around. You know what I mean? So that'll be interesting. This area you can push a little more than usual, but again, since things changed here, I don't know where it's going to be new potholes, new things like that, so we'll take it a little easy. I mean, we're still doing 30, so yeah, back to the Milk Racing. So when I installed it, I put the chain all tight and stuff, but once I started riding, the chain loosened up a little bit on me right now. So it's hitting the side threads. I got my tire dished. By the way, Milk Racing, if you guys are interested, use code VOLTED and you'll get yourself a nice discount and help support me, support the channel, so that'll be highly appreciated. Anyways, I got the tire dished so I can so it won't hit the chain. And since my chain got a little loose right now, I need to tighten it back up. Yo, so this way. This is that dreaded trail I fell on. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I don't want to fall again. Yeah, so I was coming down this trail over here, going way too fast than I should for my own good. And I'll show you guys where I ate it. Broke my collarbone. Had to ride all this back with a broken collarbone. It was not fun at all. We had this blind corner right here coming down way too fast. And damn, this is what messed me up. This thing right here. Man. Sheesh, and I flew all the way over here. Before I know it, my buddy was all the way down there. Man, if I only went a little bit slower, that day would have ended different. But yeah, so far a lot more traction. Only thing, like I mentioned, is that my chain. Definitely got to go home and tighten that chain up so it stops hitting my tire threads. Oh man, look at this thing. Holy cow. Yeah, there was a weight chain, but it was worth it. I guess so far it's worth it. And I think I got way too much air in my front tire. And another thing I forgot to mention is my seat, my new seat that I redid. So much more comfortable than my other variation that I made. The other variation was too tight, too strong, too tough. This one is a lot more plush and more comfortable. This has definitely been fun. Fun little comeback after my crash. Definitely appreciate that. I love this place. Woo! That was one bumpy ride today, I'll tell you that. As always, make sure to hit that thumbs up for me. If you like this type of content, definitely make sure to subscribe. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace! Oh my god, look at this. Oh, holy cow.